Hello. Pakistan. Officially, Pakistan is the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. It lies in South Asia with a population of over 207 million. The name Pakistan means land of the pure in Persian and Urdu. Both India and Pakistan got their independence at midnight on the 14th to the 15th of August 1947. However, Pakistan was split into West and East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, over 2,200 kilometers from east to west. The flag of Pakistan, the white band, symbolizes the role of the religious minorities. The color green, the crescent, and the star are traditionally symbols of Islam. Sialkot in the Punjab is the world's largest producer of hand-sewn footballs. Local factories here produce 40 to 60 million footballs every year. This is about 50 to 70% of the world's total production. Sialkot is also one of the top producers and exporters of surgical instruments in the world. Almost 99% of these instruments are produced in Sialkot. Pakistan has the largest canal-based irrigation system in the world. Out of the total land area in Pakistan, 25% is under agricultural cultivation. Pakistan irrigates 3 times more land area than Russia. Nobel Peace Prize laureate from Pakistan. Only 2 people have ever won the Nobel Prize for Pakistan. Malala Yousafzai for peace in 2014 and Abdus Salam for physics in 1979. Karachi. Karachi is the largest city of Pakistan. It is its financial hub as well as home to almost 17 million people. It also has a major seaport. Karachi was the first capital city of Pakistan post-independence and remained so until the capital was shifted to Rawalpindi in 1958. The capital now is not Rawalpindi. Sugarcane juice is the national drink in Pakistan. In Pakistan, it is also known as roh. A lot of green tea is also drunk during the day. K2, Chagori, is the highest mountain peak in Pakistan and the second highest in the world. Everest is the highest. Pakistan also has a rare species of blind dolphin found in the water of the Indus River. It is the second most endangered freshwater dolphin species in the world, the first being the functionally extinct Yangtze River. The Kura salt mine in Pakistan is the second largest and oldest salt mine in the world. Pakistan has the only fertile desert in the world, the Thar Parkar Desert, located in Sindh province. The armed forces, Pakistan has the 11th largest armed force in the world. It has 617,000 people in its army. UN peacekeeping missions are supported largely by the Pakistani army. The world's longest glacial system outside the polar regions, the Bayafo Glacier, is in Pakistan. It is 63 kilometers long and situated in the Karakoram Mountains in the north. The largest earth-filled dam in the world is the Tarbela Dam on the Indus River in Pakistan. The dam was built in 1968 and 1976. The dam is 143.26 meters high and 2,743.2 meters long. Once the world's largest man-made forest, it is situated near Lahore, Pakistan. The Changamanga forest is 5,000 hectares in area. The Changamanga forest was originally planted in 1866 by British foresters. It has undergone massively illegal forestation in recent years. Islamabad, Pakistan, is ranked the second most beautiful capital in the world. Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan, has a population of 2,600,572 in 2017. Islamabad officially became the capital of Pakistan on the 14th of August 1967, exactly 20 years after the country's independence. Pakistan is the only Muslim country after Turkey to open combat jobs for women. Pakistan has some of the best trained Air Force pilots in the world. The Shah Faisal Mosque, named after the Saudi King Faisal, who gave $120 million for its construction, can accommodate 100,000 worshippers at a time. It was the largest mosque in the world from 1986 until 1993. Pakistan is also home to the world's second largest Muslim population behind Indonesia. Note that India is home to the world's third largest Muslim population. The majority of Pakistan's population is Muslim, amounting to 96.4%, while the rest includes Hindus and Christians. Gwadar Port is the largest deep sea port in the world, located on the southwestern Arabian Sea along the coastline of Balochistan, Pakistan. The port has an area of 64,000 square meters and has a depth of more than 14 meters. In 1965, Pakistan had a second war with India over Kashmir. The 17-day war caused thousands of casualties on both sides and also witnessed the largest tank battle since World War II. Benazir Bhutto became the first female prime minister in Pakistan and of any Muslim nation. She was killed by a suicide bomber in 2007. Ansu Lake, Tear Lake, the shape of the lake resembles a tear. The lake also looks like a human eye with an eyebrow, which becomes prominent during the summer days when the ice melts. The lake has a central island which resembles an iris. The mosque is located in Karachi, Sindh, Pakistan, and is locally known as the Gol Masjid. The dome of the mosque is 64.6 meters in diameter and is nearly 1,570 meters high. It is balanced on a low surrounding wall with no central pillars. It was built in 1969. Located in the northern end of the Kagan Valley, Lake Saiful Muluk is one of the highest lakes in Pakistan at an elevation of 3,226 meters above sea level. Pakistan is famous for truck art, decorating trucks with complex floral patterns and poetic calligraphy. Trucks are painted with a splash of colours and the artist's creativity is very appealing. Fort Shalimar Gardens in Lahore. The Badshahi Mosque in Lahore, Pakistan, is one of the world's largest mosques. It was commissioned by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb in 1671 and its construction completed in 1673. On May the 2nd, 2011, Osama bin Laden was killed by US Special Forces during a raid in Abbottabad, Pakistan. He was the leader of Al-Qaeda. Pakistan is the fourth largest cotton producing country in the world. The markhor is the national animal of Pakistan. Its national bird is the chuka partridge. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Pakistan is a very formal and also respectful of Islamic code. Pakistani men are required to cover their bodies between the navel and the knee. Women's clothes are also conservative, covering the skin and very loose. The shalwar kameez is the national dress for women worn by 80 to 90% of Pakistani women. It is estimated that 21% of girls in Pakistan are married before the age of 18. The legal age for marriage is 16 for girls and 18 for boys. Honour killings. Kandil Balok. An honour killing is when a person, usually a female, is killed because she is suspected of or has brought shame on her family by behaving dishonourably. She is usually murdered by a member of her own family. There are 500 honour killings a year. Kandil Balok, real name Fuzia Azim, was murdered by her brother in an honour killing in 2006. She was an actor, model and social media celebrity. In 2016, a bill was passed guaranteeing mandatory prison sentences of 25 years for perpetrators of honour killings. Before this bill was passed, murderers did not go to prison, but blood money was paid. Bye-bye.